YouTube's 2026 filters are designed to detect unedited AI music patterns. Relying on raw outputs often leads to an immediate loss of ad revenue. Under current guidelines, the platform flags mass-produced or low-effort tracks as inauthentic content, which can result in a channel's removal from the partner program. To maintain your monetization, you need a workflow that satisfies these new requirements. We'll cover securing legal rights, modifying your audio for compliance, and managing the upload process. Following these steps is a baseline requirement for creators looking to generate revenue with AI music. The first step in this workflow is establishing your legal right to the music. YouTube requires that you own the commercial rights to any audio you generate. If you use a free tier, you generally do not own the output. Uploading these tracks often triggers automated copyright claims. Upgrading to a Pro or Max plan on platforms like Suno grants you the commercial license needed to meet YouTube's monetization criteria. Without this license, your content is essentially a copyright trap. If you are flagged, you have no legal standing to appeal the claim. The cost of the software license is a necessary investment. Every subsequent step in the production process depends on this legal foundation. Once you have the rights, the next step is providing evidence of human involvement in the audio file itself. YouTube looks for transformative human input. This means the final track should reflect creative choices made by the creator, rather than just the AI's default settings. You can demonstrate this by typing out your own original lyrics. Using your own stanzas instead of auto-generated text creates a unique file that the algorithm can distinguish from templated spam. For instrumental creators, import your AI stems into a digital audio workstation. By manually adding unique beats or vocal commentary, you transform the raw output into an original composition. Raw exports are often treated as repetitive content, but a track guided by measurable human choices is recognized as a monetizable asset. After finalizing the audio, you must address the visual requirements for a compliant upload. Many creators fail the review process because they pair their audio with a single static image. YouTube's policies favor videos with dynamic visual engagement. Open a video editor such as CapCut or Premiere and import your modified audio track to begin the visual build. Use an auto caption tool to generate kinetic typography. This creates moving, on-screen lyrics that sync with the vocals and maintain viewer interest. You should also layer in dynamic B-roll or abstract visuals that change in perfect rhythm with the music. Providing a dynamic visual experience proves to the platform that the video required editorial effort, which helps secure ad revenue. The final step occurs within the YouTube Studio upload dashboard. In the description box, provide a clear list of the human edits you performed and the specific tools you used to build the video. As you navigate the upload flow, you will reach a section titled Altered Content. YouTube requires disclosure for realistic synthetic media. If your project features realistic cloned voices or lifelike synthetic video, you must select Yes on this toggle. Failing to disclose synthetic content can result in channel strikes or the removal of the video. Transparency is a core requirement for the platform. Proactive disclosure protects your channel from being flagged for deceptive practices. Once your disclosure is set, you can publish the video to your channel. To summarize, secure your commercial rights through a paid plan, add transformative human input to the audio, and provide full disclosure during upload. Applying these steps distinguishes your content from the templated uploads currently being demonetized, helping you maintain your partner program status. Following this workflow allows you to build a content library that is compliant with current platform policies. For more tutorials on AI automation and revenue strategies, subscribe to AI and Gen Z.